I hope you're enjoying Solar System Week at the National Space Centre. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a simple and fun way to make your very own nebula paintings. Firstly, I have to admit I am not an artist, but I did have a lot of fun. The most important thing is to make sure you cover your work surfaces before you start, as you're about to mix air and paint and it can go everywhere. You will need a straw, mine is metal and reusable, an old toothbrush, a jug of water, something to mix your paints in, I use test tubes, this is science after all, dark sugar paper, cleaning cloths for spills and accidents, and acrylic paints, any colours you like. I have a large roll of black sugar paper, so I've cut a piece and taped it to the table to keep it in place. This is very important as you can blow your paper off the table and make a mess. Now you will need to mix your paints with water to make them flow easier. I mixed 1/4 water to 3/4 paint. Too much water will make your paper soggy. Gently pour your paints one at a time onto the paper and use a straw to blow the paint in the direction you want. It is a good idea to experiment with sideways and down breaths to get different patterns. If you have long hair, make sure it is tied back so you don't end up with multicoloured hair. Keep doing this with different colours until you create the nebula you are happy with. Now load your toothbrush with white paint and use the thumb to comb the bristles over the paper to finally spray stars around the outer of your nebula. I hope you enjoy creating your space themed artwork. Make sure you share your finished paintings with us, we would love to see them.